Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 isn't charging properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise from a faulty battery, a damaged charging circuit, or even a malfunctioning power adapter. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, such as complete power failure, leaving you without a functioning laptop when you need it most. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools. Firstly, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and of course, a replacement battery. Make sure to have your new battery ready before you start. To begin, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back cover off, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the cover is off, locate the battery. It will typically be a rectangular component attached to the motherboard. You'll see a few screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle force. Disconnect the battery connector by carefully pulling it away from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Replace the screws to secure the battery, making sure they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping. Once the battery is secured, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel back in place. Finally, plug in your laptop and turn it on to check if the battery is charging correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check your battery health and avoid prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures. Keeping your laptop software up to date can also help with battery management. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.